And that's how you tactfully get rid of them. What? Oh, do you want to get in the teleporter instead of me? Fine. Oh, no, now you don't? Now you don't. Okay, I'm going back in then. Maybe you have to enable the teleporter first. Well-conceived plan, however, there is great risk. Is that a staircase down with them? We would have never figured this out if it wasn't for me being an idiot and just being like, what happens if I drop barrel? You remember that thing you said about how barrel parkour is like never the answer? Don't bring it up. How would anyone figure this out? This feels like an episode of Doctor Who. Hey, Liz. Oh, thank God they put the bleach here. Stay back! Yeah, that was about as effective as, oh no, the gang. Okay, so why are the zombies siding with Shape? Is this enough to call that a plus sign? Standby thing? From Fallout? Yeah. Happens. Not bound. Line of sight psychokinesis. Well, I'm not binding it now. Don't do that. Oh my gosh. Stop. Oh my God. They do in this. Anyway, what are we playing today? Some Star Wars Celebration on their phone. Yeah, well, no, because it was one of those things where they're like, for some reason, they're like, we're not going to show this online. It's just for the people who are in the audience. No self-quote. We've done it, Jonathan. Go see a doctor right away to clean off the radiation. That's kind of just Fallout lore in a nutshell. Yeah. Nuclear reactor computer monitors, because why not? A lot of people don't like to admit it, but nuclear energy actually is way cleaner than fossil fuels. Oh, wow. Gazebos in Left 4 Dead games. Well, every time there's good music, because it's always during a moment where there's like a horde that our computers can't handle. But Goopa! Oh, dude, that's...
Oh, it is like Star Wars convention.
Yeah.
Hello, yeah.
This is just for the people who are in the audience. No cell phones allowed. For no reason. The road goes for the cell phone. Yeah, everybody records it anyway. They just have Disney employees like camping the recent uploads on YouTube. That's very interesting because it's still like that's a solid promotional stunt to like say that people can't it's like the right exposure would be good business, but then they have laws that you like can't reference anything remotely copywritten. Get to safety by opening the airlock door. That sounds the opposite of safe. Find safety in the cold vacuum of space. I mean, hey, if there's no aliens out there into the airlock, I'm trying, but apparently I can't step through the door until it's all the way open. Empty. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we do have med packs and mission sequences significantly less cool than Left 4 Dead, but okay. Yeah, it just took us to a loading screen and now we're back in the exact same spot. I told you, everything feels so empty. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we do have med packs, by the way. They're these things. Oh, you look like you have crippling depression, by the way. I know, I see it on the sidebar. No, I mean, like, I think it's significantly worse than the sidebar preview because you look like your whole family got murdered and you're not allowed to eat anything but butter. Bro, one of those things is significantly worse than the other, but both I can see as depressing aspects. Just one of them is much darker. Why is this guy so tall? What the heck?
Which guy? There's just some guy in a purple suit that was like 6 60% of them are
Zombies. I mean aliens.
Whatever, so what I have impressions of the game so far. I mean, you're right, it feels so empty. I don't know how something like 65
Who is spiky guy here? Tank. Only significantly less dangerous.